Welcome back. You can add a screen recording to your presentation. To illustrate this, we're going to add in a new slide. Once we do that, we're going to stay with the Insert tab. We're going to go all the way to the right-hand side, and you're going to see that there's going to be an area here for screen recording. We're going to click the area that says Screen Recording. What you're then going to do is you're going to have a cursor, and you can move that cursor to the area that you want to record. Now that area can be on a different screen, or it can be on the screen that you are using. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a snapshot of a different screen. And once we have our area ready, we are then going to click the Record button. And then we're going to move our mouse cursor in the area. And once you've completed your recording, in order to access the controls, you're going to hover all the way near the top of your screen, and you're going to see the controls come available to you. And you're going to be able to stop this window. And then one of the things you're going to notice is that your select area is grayed out because you're now recording. But you do have control over the audio. You also have control over whether you're going to record the pointer. Now we are going to now stop the recording. And what you'll see now is that the screen recording is now embedded into our presentation, so that when the individual comes to the slide and they click this recording, they will be able to watch the recording that we created from our other screen. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.